Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are doing well at home. Welcome back to yet another class of English. Today, we will learn a new lesson from your English textbook. Let us do a little revision of what we did in the last few classes. In the last few classes, we did module 2 of your workbook, in which we learned how to use punctuations, what is a prefix, what difference does it make in a word. We in punctuation we learn full stop, comma, question mark and exclamation mark, and use of capital letters. Then we also learn how to write diary and also how to write. What did we learn in last class? We learned in the creative writing, we learned diary writing and message writing. So these were the topics we covered in module 2. So today we will start a new lesson in your English textbook. We will start with lesson number 3. Now, before we start with lesson number 3, there are few rhyming words. Okay, there are few rhyming words. Please listen carefully, and after every word I read, please repeat. Community. Rhyming word is unity. So I will give the word and then rhyming word. Okay? Community, unity. So each one of you say community, unity. Okay, next. Avoid, enjoyed. Find, mind. Relations, nations. Hearts, starts. So these are the 5 rhyming words. Now, these rhyming words are all related to the topic we are going to learn today. Okay, today the name of the lesson is Community Peace. This is on page number 14 of your textbook. Community Peace is our third lesson. Now, when I say community peace, when you hear the word peace, what comes to your mind? What thoughts cross your mind? Can you think? Can you think some words which comes to your mind when you hear the word peace? Keep thinking. And now let me ask you one more thing. Do you think that it is important to have peace around us? Do you think it is important? Yes. If it is important, why? And if it is not important, why it is not important? So you can think about these 2 questions. All right? Now, let us, when the first question when I asked you, when I say the word peace, what comes to your mind? Some of you would say harmony. Some would say unity. Some would say love. Some would say comfort. Some would say happiness. And some would say development. And children, all these words are connected to peace. All these words are connected to peace. Do you know why? Because when we have peace in the family, then there is a peace around us. There is a peace in the society. And when the society is peaceful, the nation is peaceful. And when the nation, that means a country, is peaceful, then the world is peaceful, because the world is made of so many countries, right? And in all these countries, there are so many communities, so many societies, so many people, and people form a family. when we think of the word peace, all these words are very much related. Because if you have peace, then you will have comfort. Comfort means to feel comfortable, to not fear anything. Okay? And if you have peace, you will have love. If you have peace, you will love around you. And when you have peace, there will be a unity. It will bring unity. And when you have peace, it will bring harmony. Harmony is in your this textbook. In the textbook, there is all the words meanings are given in the at the back of your book in the glossary. Harmony says when people have good feeling for one another, when you think good for each other, when you have a good feeling, there is no hatred, there is no dislike. You feel good for each other, you like each other. That brings harmony. And when you have peace, there is a development. There is a lot of development in the society, in the family, in the society, in the country. And peace brings lots of happiness around us. All right? So peace is very, very important. And that is the learning objective today. Peace and us. How does peace affect us? So peace, how does it affect us? It brings all these things in our life. And if we don't have peace, then we will lack all this. We will lack all these things in our life, in our community, in our country, in our world. All right. So do you think that answers our question? Second question, that is peace important around us? Yes, it is. Why it is? Because peace brings unity, love, comfort, happiness, development, and harmony. All right? So, we will read a very beautiful poem. A very beautiful poem. It is on page number 15. I will read this poem, and I would want all of you also to read the poem at home. Read it from your book. Don't just listen to my reading. You must read the poem yourself also. And read it loud, okay? Let your mother or your father or your elder or sister, anybody, let them hear your poem reading. When there is harmony, there is peace. Joy on earth does increase. For peace to grow in your community, the first step is social unity. We all know that healthy relations are the keys to peaceful nations. War and conflict we must avoid so that beauty of life may be enjoyed. We just need to open our hearts. That's where peace clearly starts. It's not that difficult to embrace and find with a caring heart and open mind. So this is a very beautiful poem. Today, I will read only the poem, and we have learned the rhyming words. So now today I want all of you to please read this poem and draw this in your copy. You will write community peace, you will write learning objective peace and us, and then you will draw this mind map in your notebooks. Okay, please write the date. Community peace is a lesson name. Learning objective is peace and us, and this is the mind map. All right, so that would be all for today, children. Tomorrow I will do the explanation of the poem, and I will also teach you some new words. So I hope you all have enjoyed this beautiful poem as much as I have enjoyed reading it. Thank you.